Hello everyone, let's solve a problem from age. Ratio of age of A and B is 6:5. Okay, so this is A, this is B, their ratio is 6:5. This is the present age. Age of C is 5 years less than twice the age of B. So let's assume their ages of A and B are 6K and 5K. So age of C will be, what will be the exact age of C? We can say that age of C is 5 years less than twice the age of B. That means 2 into 5K is 10K and 5 years less than C. So this is the age of C. Now it is saying that the difference between ages of C and A is 11 years. So 10K minus 5 minus 6K, this is given out to be 11 years. So you are getting 4K equals to 16, so K will give you 4, and at the end it is asking what is the age of A. Age of A will be 6K, so 6 into value of K is 4, so this will give you 24 as your answer, and that is the first option. This was a basic problem. A and B age was given, C age was given comparatively as compared to B. Now we were asked to find the present age of A. So we need the exact age value. So 6K was its value and K is 4. So 24 years will be the present age of A.